Hey guys, welcome back to my IGTV. I am super excited to do a Durga Puja look. I am bishon excited for Durga Puja. It's almost here and I am all ready. I'm wearing this beautiful pink sari, got my jewelry out, and I am going to start with prepping my base. So for my base today, I am going to use the Advanced Night Repair Serum first. I absolutely love this. And then I am also going to hydrate underneath my eyes. This is the Advanced Night Repair Eye Supercharged Complex. So I'm done prepping my base. It's so important that you moisturize your skin well before you do your makeup. That is going to make sure that your foundation sits on your skin very flawlessly. And today, because I am doing a very daytime, very mellow look, a very everyday wearable natural look for Pujo, I'm wearing a foundation that is very long lasting. This is waterproof. This is amazing. I love the coverage. So this is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place makeup. This has an SPF of 10. My shade is 3W2 Cashew, and this is my flawless shade. So I'm just going to take a little bit onto the back of my hand. Just 2 pumps are enough. First, I like to take a foundation brush and lightly dab it onto the brush, and then I like to spread it all over my skin. I love that it has a matte finish, and once it sets, it just like sits on your skin for 24 hours. It's so long lasting, and it's also sweat proof. So no matter how much you're roaming around outside in the heat, this makeup just does not move. It's the best for like humid condition. I love wearing this in Mumbai because it's so humid here and it's really hot, so I need a foundation that sits on my skin for that long. And because it's sweat proof, so even when I'm sweating, this does not really budge at all. And it's also super duper easy to blend. Like even with the brush, I'm getting such an even application. I'm also going to go in my neck. So the foundation also comes in like 40 plus shade. So it's very easy to find your shade match. And it's priced at rupees 3,600 for 30 ml. This is the 30 ml bottle. Yeah, it's already blended so well onto my skin. I love, even though like it has such a great coverage, it looks just like skin. And then I'm just going to take a sponge and blend it a little bit more. Just push it against the skin. And that's it. I love the finish of this. And especially during Pujo, you know, when you have like really long day, when you're outside, you're hanging out with your friends, chilling, lots of addas happening. You need to make sure that, you know, you're very confident about your foundation not moving at all. To be honest, when my skin looks good, it just makes me so confident, and I don't really usually end up wearing a lot of concealer after I wear this because of the coverage. It's so nice. I'm just going to put a little bit underneath my eyes just to add in the coverage, and also take it onto my eyelid. Literally doubles up as a concealer too. So that's it for the base. I absolutely love how matte it sits on my skin. Okay, let's move on to the eyes. I want everyone to be able to do this eyes. So I'm going to use a liquid eyeshadow, which is super easy to apply. This is the MAC Dazzle Shadow Liquid in the shade Beam Time. Then I'm just using my finger to blend it. And then I'm going to take the Double Wear Stay in Place eye pencil in the shade Onyx and apply a nice layer on my lower lash line. I'm also going to slightly pull it outside. That's it for the eyes. I'm just quickly going to bronze my face a little bit, again with the Bronze Goddess. We're almost done. I am going to apply some highlighter. So I like to put 3 dots and then just use the cushion to blend it in. And it gives this beautiful radiant glow. Last but not the least, we have lipstick. I am going to wear the Estee Lauder Pure Color Love lipstick in the shade Rebel Glam. It's going to give the perfect pop of color to this look. See, it can't be a Pujo look without a bindi, so I'm going to use the same lipstick. And that's it. I do have one last step. You can obviously skip this, but I absolutely love using the Estee Lauder Set Plus Refresh Perfecting Makeup Mist. I'm just going to spray a little bit. Oh, I love the way this smells. It smells like fresh roses. And this is it. Let me quickly fix my hair. So that's it. This is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys are doing amazing and also have an amazing Pujo. I wish you all the very best and all my love. In case you guys would want to try the foundation yourself, it is priced at rupees 3,600 for 30 ml, and they also have an offer going on where you can get a dual-ended brush for free when you buy the 30 ml bottle, and it's available on Nykaa, Sephora, Myntra, Shoppers Stop, everywhere. So in case you want your hands on it, you can go to any of these places. I'm also going to link it up here in the description, so you can just click on it and get it yourself. And that's it. Thank you so much. Bye.